Hey guys, I apologize for the lighting. This is a very difficult piece to show in a video. I promise the lighting in the studio will get much better. Still, I wanted to walk you through this great piece that I created recently, which is inspired on a wonderful, amazing book by Antoine Saint-Exupéry, The Little Prince. If you haven't read it, please read it. If you have kids, please, it's a wonderful gift for any kid. And actually, a great typical misunderstanding is that people believe that book is for children, when in fact, there's nothing could be further from the truth. Every time you read it, you discover new things on his philosophy, which is just absolutely, in my mind, romantic and amazing. And so I wanted to show you this piece. The reason why there's so many reflections is because there's different layers of glass. There's there a moonscape, and there's the Mediterranean behind it, underneath, behind the mountains. So it's reflecting all the moonlight back into the sky. You have a few stars, and then you have mountains. I know you won't be able to really get to see this, but the mountains create shadow. If I do this, there's a separation, and that's because the mountains are printed again on silk screen on a layer of glass in front of the photograph. And then in front of those mountains, then there's text. Again, black on black. It's cursive, very beautiful handwriting. And it's in French, the original language on the book, how it was written. And this is a visual metaphor, this whole piece. What it says is, in text that you discover, it's not obvious. What is essential is invisible to the eyes. Please, I would love, share your comments. I would love to hear what you think.